When we talk about festivals, Mikoshi, portable shrine, comes to mind. With synchronized energy and spirited shouts, it parades gracefully. Mikoshi is truly the flower of the festival. Mikoshi, which made its appearance in the Nara period, was mostly crafted in the Kansai region until the early Edo period. Subsequently, Edo Mikoshi emerged, developed by the hands of Edo craftsmen with its unique style. Edo Mikoshi is characterized by its sleek design and high hanging compared to the Kansai type. The Edo Mikoshi is a culmination of Edo traditional crafts. Various decorations adorn the Mikoshi, including lacquered ornaments, entwined reins, gold leaf, carvings, and coloring, crafted by skilled artisans in their respective fields. The Edo Mikoshi can be considered the epitome of Edo traditional craftsmanship. Now, let's visit Mr. Taneya's workplace and observe the production process of Mikoshi crafting. Mr. Taneya is an Edo Mikoshi craftsman who creates the main body of the Mikoshi and ultimately assembles various decorations into one. Materials such as zelkova, pine, Japanese chinkapin, holly, and catalpa are used depending on the location. Even the same type of wood has different uses. Wood with coarse annual rings is used in robust areas for easy application of force, while finer ones are used in delicate parts such as carvings. The Mikoshi is composed of a dais, corridor, copper, surrounding fences, torii gates, masugumi, square framing, and the roof.
割り通り図面描きましたが、紙だと伸び縮みがありますので、今木に盛り付けてます。これだと正確に寸法が出ます。
This single piece of wood provides the dimensions for the entire Mikoshi. Using the mounting stick taken from the diagram earlier,
先ほど図面から取った盛り付け棒でみこしの一番下の今台輪を作っております。
The base is the foundational part of the Mikoshi and must be sturdy, since two thick carrying poles are inserted. Typically, zelkova is used for this purpose. The Mikoshi is mainly constructed by assembling horizontal and vertical elements called ozo and mizo. There is no room for even the slightest difference, as the craftsman's skill creates a Mikoshi that remains unaffected by the vigorous movements of the carriers. According to Mr. Taneya, if cared for properly, a Mikoshi can last for 500 years.
これがおみこしの台輪で、これが床下の根太です。一番力がかかりますんで、硬くて粘っこい木を使ってあります。
we lay the floorboards on the pedestal wheel. Attach the inner copper and rub ash on the inside bottom board. It's a good structural design.
銅も同じ一銅に硬くもなく緩くもなく、これが最大の技術の見せ所です。これが屋根の下場といいますか、裏面で、桁に不動でもって根太が入っております。根太は心棒と内胴を受けますんで、やっぱり粘い硬い木を使ってあります。桁ももちろん欅で、桁と木覆いにはこうたるき彫りがしてあります。これをたるきをつけてしまいますと、刷毛が入らないのと、細かい点に漆がたまりましてきれいに上がりませんので、塗ってからたるきを一本一本こう打っていきます。こういう感じになります。
We attach simpo to the roof and drive in wedges.
おみこしの屋根は7寸勾配で、普通は7寸勾配ですけども、三社型法蓮は5、6寸でうんと低くなります。でその7寸勾配の間に張らせるか滑らかにいくかはお客さんの注文と当人の意思で決めます。屋根の厚い板を張るためにぬだるきに対して平行にいってるかねじれてないかを定規で確かめます。高いところはのみで測ります。
To make the roof boards easy to bend, we make thin cuts with a saw. Once the boards are applied to all 4 sides of the roof, we finish with a plane.
上は平らな金で仕上がりましたので、今度はこれは反ってますんで、この金は反り材と言います。これで仕上げます。これは荒取りです。
In the curved part of the roof, we use a special plane with a curved base.
でこちらが反り材の俗に際岩と言いまして、角いっぱいまで刃が出ております。でこれで角が残らないように仕上げています。でこちらが荒取りで、見ていただく通り刃がいっぱい出てます。こちら仕上げで刃を少し出して少しずつきれいに仕上げるようにします。
It has a beautiful shape and is crafted personally. The work of Mr. Taneya is precise and elegant. Truly, it is the refined skill of an Edo craftsman.